Hello friends, this is Shaheen. Welcome back. Today I am going to make a very popular Italian crunchy delight pizza. So come and learn how to make it at home. This is pizza base we get in the market. We will going to make a sauce to apply on this. We need cheese. This is mozzarella or pizza cheese we get in the market. This frolic cheese, pizza cheese. This Amul cheese I have cut into pieces. We are using two types of cheese. This is one medium sized tomato, de-seeded and cut into pieces. This is one small onion cut into pieces. This is one small capsicum cut into pieces. This is 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. These are 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped. A pinch of red chili powder or red chili flakes. This is 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can also use black pepper. This is a pinch of thyme. This is a pinch of oregano. Salt according to taste. And a little bit of oil to make our sauce. So let us start. Just a teaspoon of it. Add onion. Add capsicum. Garlic. We don't have to cook these vegetables. We just have to saute for a minute or two. Add tomato. Salt to taste. Chili flakes. White pepper powder. Oregano. Oregano and thyme gives wonderful taste to the pizza sauce. This is thyme. Now put off the plate. Apply tomato sauce. Now we will spread those vegetables. You can add vegetables of your choice. You can add mushroom. Now spread cheese equally. We will put this in microwave on convection mode for 10 to 15 minutes till the cheese melts. Now we will bake it or grill it for 10 to 15 minutes. See, within 10 minutes on convection mode in microwave, our pizza is ready. Mozzarella cheese has melted. Processed cheese, Amul cheese looks like this. Now we're going to cut and serve. Take a cutter Here's your pizza.